Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to download Microsoft Access. To do this, go to Start, open Microsoft Store. Next, then in the search, type 365. Here we need Microsoft 365 from Copilot. Click Install. There's a limited free version and a paid one. For now, we're downloading the free one. After it's done, click Open. You'll need to sign into your account. After logging in, I suggest using a browser. You can use other methods too. Yes, type Access here. There. A new tab will open. Here's our Access. Right? Here you can try it for free, but normally you'd need to buy it. Click Try for free to get a trial period, after which you'll need to purchase the program. That's it. Goodbye, everyone.